Hi, my name is Dennis Wartenberg and I'm Head of Communications at K.I.T Group. We might think that in marketing it doesn't matter if the event takes place on-site or online, but from our experience this is not really the case. Unlike live events, digital events have one essential key factor missing: on-site experience. This sounds trivial and logical at first, but it is precisely the key element that makes the difference when marketing digital events. Digital event organizers do not have the opportunity to create a unique place where people can get in touch with your event brand and experience it live on site. So reacting appropriately to this is the main task in marketing digital events, offering your audiences authentic experiences for brand interaction at all touchpoints and even without the on-site possibilities. In comparison to on-site events, marketers are currently facing three significant challenges when it comes to digital events: attendee insecurity, digital event overload, and irregular traffic. To master these challenges, it is crucial in marketing to focus 100% on the event's content and highlight the added value of digital event formats. These values must be communicated at the right place, at the right time, to the right audiences, with one clear message: conferences are and will always be the perfect forums for education, networking, and professional exchange, on-site and online.